In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pinbar Analysis in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to pull up the indicator you need, so you can quickly spot Pinbar candles and make more informed trading decisions. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. The process is the same. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the time frame and alert buttons. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and custom scripts are stored, and it's where you'll access the Pinbar Analysis. When you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. At the top of that panel, you'll see a search box. This is the easiest way to find any specific tool without scrolling through long lists. Move your cursor to that search box and click on it so it's active. You should see your typing cursor appear inside. Now type in the phrase Pinbar Analysis. Take a second to make sure you spelled it correctly, because TradingView filters results based on what you enter here. As you type, you'll see a list of matching indicators and scripts appear below. Look through the results and find the one labeled Pinbar Analysis that matches the tool you want to use. Once you've found it, simply click on it. As soon as you click, TradingView will automatically add the Pinbar Analysis indicator to your current chart. You should start to see visual markers or highlights around Pinbar candles, depending on how the script is designed. If you want to fine-tune how it looks or how strict the Pinbar criteria are, you can open the settings for the indicator by hovering over its name on the chart and selecting the settings icon. From there, you can adjust colors, sizes, and any inputs provided by the script creator so it fits your personal trading style. If you're not yet on the Pro version of TradingView and you want more indicators on your chart, more alerts, and an overall smoother experience, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description to sign up for TradingView Pro. It supports the channel and gives you access to more powerful tools while you work with Pinbar Analysis. That's all you need to add Pinbar Analysis in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps, experiment with the settings, and integrate it into your own trading plan for better candle reading and cleaner setups on your charts.